All right, good morning. Ron McGowan here with Guarantee RV in Junction City, Oregon. Going to give you a little quick video tour this morning on this 2019 ElkRidge 37 rear kitchen. Beautiful brand new floor plan that they just came out with. Come on inside, let's take a look. As we head to the inside of the coach, you're going to see we've got outdoor marine grade speakers, large awning with LED lighting behind that. That's an electric awning. Two propane tanks, large compartment area to store lots of items with additional cable, satellite hookups, and TV hookup inside there so you can watch the game out here while you're enjoying the patio. Aluminum step, nice large grab handle coming in. And this floor plan, again, this is a brand new floor plan. I'm going to take you straight back to the kitchen first. You've got a nice table and chairs here with 4 chairs for a nice dinette, 4-door refrigerator, lots of cabinet space, hard surface countertops, large oven and range with a full single bowl large sink, residential style faucet. This thing is loaded up. It's just like being in a small apartment, guys. Moving into the living area, you've got a great living area here. 2 opposing couches, theater seating with massage, heat, electric lights inside those seats to help you find your beverage when you've got the lights out. Again, lots of cabinets over here. Both these sofas turn into a bed. LED lighting throughout with a ceiling fan, large television, fireplace, sound system. That sound system plays your DVDs, your CDs, Bluetooth compatible, and of course plays inside and outside the coach. Moving up into the bathroom area, you've got a nice large shower. You've got a lot of cabinet space there again for toiletry items, towels, etc. Medicine cabinet with a nice bowl, sink. King size bed. This unit comes equipped with 2 air conditioners, 50 amp service, a nice walk-in style closet, washer dryer setup. All your hookups are right there. Makes it nice and convenient. A nice full window and a 4-drawer chest of drawers set. Really convenient for full-time living. Set up for television so you can just add a TV very easily to the unit without a lot of extra work and effort. Let's go outside and take a look at some other features. You're going to notice nice aluminum wheels, full skirting all the way around. Easy stow for your sewer hose and the bumper. 2 great, 1 large freshwater tank, more ride suspension system, large capacity water heater, and all our outdoor accessories are right here. Your docking station with your dump valves, outdoor shower, water connections, satellite and cable TV connections, again with additional power, and black tank flush. You'll notice also this unit has a 6-point hydraulic leveling system. They're not electric, it's actually a full hydraulic leveling system. Full additional storage in the front. You can use that for the heavier items because that's a metal compartment in the front, so that'll hold the heavier stuff. Solar ready, fiberglass front cap with tight turn technology for those short bed trucks. So this is a great unit. It's a brand new floor plan. If you have any questions on this unit or any other unit, please feel free to call me directly at 541-968-6010, or you can email me at ron.mcgowan@guarantee.com. Thank you and have a great day.